So here's Amora app. Let's just take a look at it. A hint of your soulmate. Pretty good app, where it's like an astrology app, where you can get a soulmate sketch, your soulmate revealed. Have you ever wondered what your soulmate looks like? Join thousands of people around the world and get a glimpse of your future love with a personalized drawing. Using advanced personality psychology and relationship science, Amora creates a realistic portrait of your soulmate and reveals insights about your ideal partner and your compatibility. And now with our latest update, you can also explore your compatibility with friends and family. So download this app, complete your profile, enter your birth date, your details, astrological, receive your drawing and personalized compatibility insights. Unlock the new feature and discover who is in your circle might be your soulmate. So here is the app. You can see I just created an account, and then you tap show me, and then it just says continue for $10 per week. Unfortunately, you can also get more coins to get more insights, but again you need to pay. So the whole thing about, you can see your roadmap, all of this, and then if you wanna, you need to get inside. So then here, like, you can just see, and then you just pick that. So, and then you choose soulmate, but unfortunately to get soulmate you need to upgrade. So, and then you can just see also, in addition to image, you also can get additional hints, but again you need to upgrade. Alternatively, what you can do, you can get free coins if you just use the coins. Get 3 coins each time a friend uses your code, and they get 3 coins too. So this is the idea. And then you can claim your coins to unlock premium insights and discover your friend's soulmates. You can enter your friend's code in here. So that's the idea. So and then if you want to check if you have some coins, you can just enter them here. And so use my code. You can go into this menu and then just enter it in here. Bunch of other people you can add, which is like love journey. So that's kind of the idea.